No! You asshole, do it again. Jeremy, come on, chill. Yo, I'm dead ass, do it again.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, you ain't getting it, bitch.
Oh.
That's what she said.
You little slut. Nah, for real, just do it.
Dirty little slut over here. You see this?
James.
This is my man-child.
John.
Look at that, look at that. Yo, look at him playing Xbox.
Can you not stop looking at my nose, man?
Yo, the venison melted in his mouth.
It like literally
You know what?
it dissolved in his mouth.
The meat just melted.
It didn't even come, it just dissolved.
Shut up, bitch.
He
Fuck
loved
you.
He loved every bit of it.
Any last words for I end the video, Jeremy?
Oh! Oh!
Last kill, I think. No,
Bitch!
no, you ain't gonna last kill.
It's like 1 o'clock in the morning.
1 o'clock in the morning.
Nigga, that's 5 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, it's my game right now. Legit.
I gotta take a shit.
Oh.
I'm scared to though, cause y'all gonna throw water on me. And there's no lock on the door. I'm about to shit outside.
Nigga, we'll play Xbox. We'll do a fuck about you.
5 o'clock in the morning.
And what are you doing? Jerking off? You're hunting in the woods in your tree stand, jerking off.
Bitch.
Like this.
Your mother jerks my meat.
Yeah, you funny.
Joe, you really want it?
So bad.
You want it?
So hard. Jeremy, do it. Do it, for real though. Just do the noise. Please. Look, we're all recording you. Just fucking do it.
No, I can't, dude.
You're a
I'm
bitch.
just not ready for those cameras.
Yeah,
you know?
you're a bitch. You're a bitch.
Finger that pussy, Jeremy. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, Jeremy.
Oh, you.
Deeper?
The thought of your big ass head was so sexy.
Oh, God. I'm done. It's over.
Oh my god.